Okay, you guys, so I'm going to show you how you will remove the lace on your 2x6 closure wigs. Now, I know my lace is the bomb, so you probably really can't see where it starts and where it begins, but this is the width of the lace, okay, and this is where it stops. So for 2x6 closure wigs, it is a little different from your normal lace. So my first thing that I like to do, normally on a larger lace, I will split it in the middle. Since this is a smaller lace, I'm not going to do that. So I'm just gonna remove these clips, and it's hard because you guys really, so right here, this is like the thick part of the lace. You wanna make sure that is removed. So you're not gonna just remove it right here, right where the hairline starts. You're gonna go as far back as you can before the wig cap is there. So we're gonna cut here all the way to back here. Okay, so again, we're not gonna cut here. We're gonna go all the way back here. So if it's easier for you, you can go ahead and section off the hair, put like a clip or something just to get it out the way, and then continue to cut. Okay, so let me just show you guys. This is what was removed. Okay, and not too much on my nails, not too much. This was what was removed. So okay, so this might be a little better angle for the side. So again, this is the area that we are removing, okay? So we're going to go all the way back. And voila, you're done. So now your 2x6 closure will lay seamless. So you guys can see. Now imagine if we had that thick piece there, there would be no seamless. So now when you install this wig, it will literally be seamless.